Is it like a totally different chisel though, or is it like something you add to a chisel? So messed up. Ooh. Saw a video of someone doing wood turning and asked me why he can't learn to do it. I know nothing about wood turn in frame. Never even touched it before. Oh, that's yeah, don't it? This is just I need one of these. It's just a hand routing plane. That would be perfect for this actually. As long as the blade wasn't wider than our gap. I thought you were talking about like something that you attach to like side of a chisel. You could do wood turn and frame. The problem though is you're gonna, if you enjoy it, you're gonna end up having to buy a bunch of other shit because you're either buying pre-cut shit or you're buying shit and cutting it up yourself. Like, and then you're gonna want to get into doing glue ups with different wood and be a good start. But if you just have a wood lathe, you're limited as what you're gonna be able to work with, right? Oh, it's way expensive. I mean, depending on what size of lathe you buy, but then like nice lathe tools are expensive as hell. Then you got to buy a sharpener because that shit's got to always be super sharp. Yeah. The problem with just doing the lathe, though, like I say, is you're going to be paying premium prices for blocks of wood that have already been milled to fit, you know?